Today we are doing episode 2, and in this episode I want to show you how does forex trading work. How does forex trading work? How do we make money? And if you're a forex trader or you're aspiring forex trader, this video will help you. Now, when it comes to forex, you need to understand we have two players in the market. We have buyers and sellers. Now, buyers, of course, they take the market up, sellers, they take the market down. Something that you need to understand when it comes to forex trading, either the market is going up or going down, we are still making money. So the thing that makes someone makes money, it is the position or the direction they choose. So anytime you will ever see a market selling, you might think people are losing money, but there are people who are still making money. So when it comes to forex trading, how we make money is from the decision of that press button of a buy or a sell. So let's say you are trading GBP USD, and then as you're trading GBP USD, you take your phone and you click buy. Now, the minute you click buy, what happens is that you are saying that you want GBP to be stronger and you want it to buy. So that is something that I can show you in a minute after explain. So the people who buy, they support GBP to be stronger, because again you need to understand that when you are trading, we don't trade currency, we don't trade one currency, we trade two currencies which are a pair. So when you trade in a market, we trade two currencies. So two currency, it means I have GBP and I want USD, so that is GBP USD. So when you say GBP USD is called a pair, when you say USD CHF is a pair, when you say Audi CHF or Audi card is a pair. Now we don't trade one currency, we trade two currency. So it's a must. You choose the side that you want. Are you supporting the base to be stronger, or are you supporting the quote to be stronger? And I have said the first currency in a pair, the first currency, I will show you in a minute. The first currency in a pair is called a base. The second currency in a pair is called a quote. So let me show you that before we continue. I don't want to talk without giving you an example. So this is our chart. Now, this is GBP USD. You can see this is GBP USD, and we have GBP USD. So we are trading in this chart. What we are seeing is two currencies that have been combined. That's what we are saying a pair. So anyone who go to their MT4 and they press buy, what they are doing, they are saying, I want to support that GBP is strong. Okay, so anyone who is trading, who is pressing buy a pair of GBP USD, what they are saying is that I agree GBP is stronger. And then someone else, a different person, may go to their MT4 and they will press sell. The same GBP pair, GBP USD pair, but in this case, they will press sell. Now, what they are saying is that they are supporting USD is stronger. Now, this is where it's very interesting. Now, between GBP and USD, the strength may vary. The strength may vary because of so many things, events, people taking out their money and all that. But by the time you're pressing either a buy or a sell, you tell the system that is, and at this particular time, I'm anticipating pound to be stronger. So how Forex work is that either you press a buy or you press a sell, the determinant is the strength of that particular currency that you have accepted. Now, remember, a currency can have a less value. Let's say something like JPY. We all know that JPY, when it comes to value, it has less value. That's why less value. That's why you can combine everything with JPY. You can say GBP, JPY. You can say Euro, JPY. You can say Audi, JPY. Have you ever thought why we do like that? CHF, JPY. You can even say USD, JPY. Why do we group JPY as the last currency? Because the first currency is a base, the GBP is the base, and the second currency is the quote. Now, between the base and the quote, the base is has value. Now, when it talks to value, it is when we are grouping. So the base has more value than the quote, okay? The base has more value than the quote. Now, when we talk of GBP, JPY, back in your mind, you know, GBP has more value than JPY. That's why it is placed GBP, JPY, because the base, it has to have more value. You can't say JPY, GBP. Okay, are we together? You can't say JPY, GBP. Now, once the value, you group it in value. When you are trading, we don't trade value, but we trade the strength. Are we together? We trade the strength. So how Forex works is that even if JPY has less value, there are sometimes JPY can be stronger. Are we together? So JPY can be stronger for a whole month than GBP. So many of the investors or many people who want to convert their money, they will prefer JPY because it has the strength. It has the strength rather than GBP. So there are currencies that can be stronger but have less value. And that is something that many people don't understand. So when you come to trade, when you are coming to trade GBP USD, when anytime you will ever place a buy, what you're saying is that me, Esther, I'm supporting GBP to be stronger. When you place a sell, you're saying, I want USD to be stronger. Now, this is what many people do. So they are trading GBP USD. Let's say they trade GBP USD and they buy. So what they have done, they have supported GBP to be stronger. So back in their mind, maybe they know or they not, but what the default setting is, the minute you say GBP buy, GBP USD buy, you're supporting GBP. Now, I find the same people, when it comes to they are trading something like GBP CHF, they are trading GBP CHF. You see, this person, when they placed a buy GBP USD, pound is stronger according to them. So when they come to trade GBP CHF, you'll find them selling. Now, what has changed? If your GBP is stronger with GBP USD, why are you selling GBP CHF? Because it's like you are confused now. You started saying GBP is stronger and you are supporting. So when it comes now to GBP CHF, if you sell and the pound is the strongest that day, there's a website where we check the strength of a currency. If you say GBP CHF sell and in the morning you are trading GBP USD buy, and if you trade GBP CHF sell and GBP USD buy, one of the trade will be at drawdown. One of the trade will be at drawdown because of something we call positive correlation. What is positive correlation? Positive correlation is the pairs that go the same direction. So in the next video, when I'm talking about currency pairs, because I will do another video about currency pairs, that is something that I will highlight on. We have positive correlation, we have negative correlation. So there is a way you can be trading some pairs. If you just know one pair direction, you can know every other pair direction. That is called positive correlation. So when it comes to, let's say imagine someone is trading these three pairs. So GBP, I want you to tell me, what do you think it is common with these three pairs? Euro, USD, and then they are trading Audi, USD. Now, what is common with these three pairs? They are sharing a quote. Meaning, if you start buying GBP USD, or let's say if you sell GBP USD, you say USD has more power. So if I come here and I say I want to sell, you go to your MT4 and place a GBP USD sell. You say I want to sell. What you're saying in simple terms, USD has more power. So if you sell here and you come and buy here, trust me, one of the pairs, if your analysis were right, Euro USD, the one that you have bought, it will be on a drawdown. Why? Because the market respect the strength. The strength at that particular time is the strength that they check. So if you are selling GBP USD, you are saying USD is stronger. If you come to Euro USD, USD of course will be stronger, and Audi USD also will be stronger. So in this case, most of these three currency, they have positive correlation. They have PC, positive correlation. They go the same direction. Now let's try an exercise here. So when I open my GBP USD, this is GBP USD. When I open GBP USD, and mind you, this is 4 hours. So this is a 4-hour chart. What we are seeing, the direction of GBP USD is a downtrend. You can see it's a downtrend. The market has been selling. Now, if this is a downtrend, anytime market is going down, who is stronger between the quote or the base? Who is stronger? What have we said? The quote is stronger. Anytime market is selling, quote is stronger. Anytime market is buying, base is stronger. That is something you need to understand. You need to understand that. So here in this case, GBP USD, the USD has been stronger because it has been selling. That's why USD is stronger. That's why it's selling stronger. Now, if I go to Euro USD, now, if I know USD is stronger, I can be able to trade Euro USD with ease. I can be able to just do simple analysis that will help me to be able to trade Euro USD. Let's try Euro USD. And we see, are they still selling? So Euro USD, you can see the same thing is happening. So if one currency that has the same quote is selling, all other currency will be selling. Now this is Euro USD and this is a 4-hour. So this is a higher time frame and you can see still a downtrend. And the last one, let's check Audi USD. Audi USD. So this is Audi USD. You can see even it is selling. Even Audi USD from this level, so the market has been selling. Even here, you can see sellers have been going down. If I can just use this. So the market has been selling. I will look like that. So from here, you can see it is creating lower highs and lower lows. So the sellers are in control. And that is just to tell you that how Forex works. If you can know who is stronger in the market, the pair that you're trading, if you can know who is stronger, you're good to go. You will be able to have an easy way. So anytime you will ever see, oh, why is GBP, anytime you will open your chart and you see a pair going like this, going down, it means your quote is stronger. Go do research just to know what is making your quote stronger. If you ever see your pair going up, just know that the base is stronger. You need to do more research. And this is why majority of people they have turned to be fundamental traders. So majority of traders have turned to be fundamental traders. Why? Because they can just observe the news, and as they are observing the news, they can be able to tell the direction of the market. So that being said, I just wanted to share how the Forex market works. Anytime you press, like, have you ever had a beginner's luck? Beginner's luck are people who they have not done any analysis. They just take GBP and they say, I think it will buy, I think it will sell. Now, even if they don't have a background of analysis or skill, if they press buy GBP and at that particular time the pound is stronger, guess what? They will make money. It is called beginner's luck. It doesn't happen often, but any person who is randomly placing trades, if they place and they support the side that the market is stronger, they will still make money. So don't feel like Forex is complicated. By the way, when people are buying, why are you saying people make money when the market is selling? You don't make money because of either selling or buying. You make money because you chose the strength of the side. If you choose the quote is the stronger and it is stronger, when it is selling, you're making money, okay? That being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, we'll be here trying to teach you the simplest things. I said I want to make Forex as simple as possible. This is what I love doing this. I love teaching people. I will teach. You see, I said I don't want to be wise in my own eyes, because for me, I thought, what am I teaching? What am I telling people? What is Forex? All these things. but I am ready to start from the scratch. So if you have not been catching the episodes that I'm releasing, I think I'll be posting like thrice a day. I'm that dedicated. So even if you watch this video, go back to my channel. There are many videos maybe I have uploaded, and I am determined by the end of this year, we are remaining with 2 months, I will have given a lot of information out there, because I believe that God has not given me the knowledge for my own use only. He has given me the knowledge to share with everyone and to be able to help people who cannot afford my mentorship program. So at the end of the day, anyone who wants to learn Forex, you have no excuse, because Esther Mofrey got you. Bye bye, guys. Love you. Where do I end? End.